Hello homebrewers, and welcome to my channel. So here is the part 4, which is the tasting video for the simple sake that we did just over a month ago. So my bottles are still in the fridge, cold crashing, otherwise just keeping it somewhere cold. And I've actually siphoned off just a cheeky bottle's worth. Well, I say just a cheeky's bottle worth. I've already had a couple of these drinks and I can tell you that this stuff is strong. So this is actually bottle number 3 because it's just so tasty, I just can't stop drinking it. Yeah, that's still cold crashing. It looks like it's actually going to take probably about a month to actually get it to the stage where I can bottle up. And from that 1 gallon, I'm probably going to end up with 4 bottles, 4 75cl bottles. Now, that's not bad considering we only added 1 litre of water. So, we're going to try this. I mean, look at it. It is crystal clear. It is beautiful. So, for those people that are just joining us for the tasting video, if you're interested, I've got the cards at the top there that will send you to number 1 of the simple sake, so you can get caught up and see how we did it. So, I'm going to get straight in and I'm going to get to tasting it because I'm starting to get drunk. Looks like it's going to be one of those days. Woo! So I have been sampling this sake more than I probably should have. Starting to get a bit drunk, I feel it. But then again, I worked out that each one of these bottles is 250 ml, and I am on bottle number 3. It's the third one. So that is 75 cls, which is a bottle of wine, so no wonder. And it is roughly at least 16%. I'm using a brewing calculator to work out roughly what 2 kilos of rice would be. But at the same time, it's just a ballpark. It's not exact. It's probably stronger because we only added 1 litre of water. The rest is all rice juice from the rehydration of the rice, which was then eaten by the mold. And yeah. So I'm going to give this a go again and let's see. So the best way I could describe this is a white wine. No particular type, just a generic dry white wine, which is quite good considering it's just made of rice. Let's give that a taste. See, it's got a zing to it. It's got sort of a grape note, maybe some other fruits in there, but because I've drank quite a lot of it by now, I'm just tasting wine, so I'm not going to argue. It is very pleasant to drink, very easy to drink, which is surprising. I thought it would be very, very bitter and not very good, but it's actually pretty damn tasty. I mean, it is not like Japanese sake. They have a class of their own. I will put my hands up. I use cheap long grain rice, but at the same time, it made quite a nice, sort of easy drinking sake / white wine. I'm actually quite amazed. So I'm going to cut the video now before I start rambling. But yeah, it looks like today is a complete waste. I've started. I'm going to have to finish this glass. Oh, it's terrible. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. You got to see the tasting, and of course I'll keep you updated of how that's going to go in about a month's time, hopefully. So don't forget to comment, rate, like, share, and of course subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, send us a comment if you liked it, and I will see you in the next video, guys. So cheers. That is damn good stuff.